Attorney General of Missouri, they filed a lawsuit, $24 billion against the CCP, against the Chi-Coms. And what they said is, look, you hoarded protective gear. That was number one. Number two, you didn't tell people what was going on with this. Therefore, we as Missourians, we didn't have enough time to react. We added it up.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Starkey Forum System. My name is Samantha and I have got to share this with you. So, the Missouri Attorney General, which we will refer to as the AG from now on, sued the Chinese Communist, country, the CCP, the party. They sued them. What did they sue them over? Hoarding of PPE during the COVID pandemic. So what did Missouri do? They said, hey, you guys essentially released this, hurt people in Missouri, didn't give us enough time to prepare, and then hoarded all of the protective personal equipment that we needed to protect our citizens. So we're going to sue you. Now, when they first put in the lawsuit, it was knocked down, but they appealed it. And the appellate court at the federal level said, hey, only half of this can go forward, the actual PPE part of the lawsuit, and we're going to award you $8 billion times 3, which is within the right of the federal government, plus 3% interest annually until they pay you $24 billion. You already know what the CCP did. They laughed. They said, you can't. We won't pay. There's nothing you could do. But they were so wrong, because who is president of the United States right now? President Trump. And so Missouri is actually working with President Trump to, are you ready for this? I'm going to blow your minds. Acquire Chinese-owned farmland within Missouri, which is 1% of all farmland in Missouri is owned by the CCP. And they're also encouraging other states to allow them, Missouri, to acquire Chinese-owned farmland in those states to go towards what China owes Missouri. Folks, this is how you do it. This is how you use the law on your side. So why am I telling you this? You may not be from Missouri. This may not bother you at all, because your state, your AG, could file the same lawsuit. Now, it does beg to differ. Is this going to cause issues with China? If there are any Missouri businesses doing business in China, are they going to be countersued? Is this going to start a lawsuit war? Who knows? But we all know where the C came from, and we all know who is responsible for it. And I think it is high time that China be held accountable on the world stage. Not to mention, why are we allowing enemies of the United States to own our farmland? Food security is how you take somebody down. You want to see somebody give up on what they believe and turn into a monster? Let their family starve. Real talk. Real talk. I'm being dead serious. Americans don't know what it is to go hungry. You would be shocked what somebody will do to feed their child. So like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video. I think the more people realize that we can fight back, things will start to change, folks. This is a light in the darkness. It is a turning of the tide. By the way, YouTube says my content is dangerous. Right? So if you'd like to support us, look at the top of comments. You could send $1. You could send 100. We would be so appreciative. God bless you guys. Talk to you later.